This is Elliot from the Revitalized Clinic, and we are so looking forward to working with you towards your health and fitness goals. I'm just going to show you how you can book an appointment with us via our website. If you needed to find out anything more about our services and the different services that we have, you can select a variety of all the different services here. You can just hover and then scroll down to find a bit more information. Once you do know which service you would like to book in for, you just select Book Appointment. This button is available on all pages of our website. You'll then just scroll down. Now, say if I wanted to book in a free consultation via the pain clinic, I would just select pain clinic. And then from here, I will book free consultation. A lot of our services come with free consultations, and they are either face-to-face or via a video call. Say if I want to come into the clinic face-to-face, both profiles are under me. So I'll just select any practitioner. I'll pick the date that I want to come in for. From here, I'll just input all of my details, email address, mobile number, etc. Select I accept, and then complete booking. The only difference with some of our services is that because we need to protect the practitioner's time, we'll just ask for a deposit when you book in. That will be with appointments, for example, first pain appointment. Here, you could select and book in the practitioner that you want to see, or if you're not too fussed about who you see, you can just book under any practitioner. Say if I wanted to book in with Charlotte, Charlotte's calendar will then be presented to me. And then from here, I can just select the time which is convenient for me, input my details, and the only difference is that when I press continue, it will just ask me for my payment details, just so I can leave a deposit on the account to protect the practitioner's time. If you needed to cancel your appointment, you can do so and we'll refund your money back straight away. You just need to give us at least 24 hours warning. Thank you so much. I hope that was informative for you and helps you to book an appointment with us. If you have any questions or concerns, just call 01474 356 284. Thank you so much.